First, you need to take a ring stand and an iron ring. You will use this screw thing to attach the ring onto your ring stand. This is where your can of water will sit. Notice the can of water cannot sit. The ring is too big. So we use this thing called a clay triangle. We place it on top of our ring, and now our can sit comfortably on the ring. Now we need to take a chip, put it on the scale, and record the mass. Then take a graduated cylinder, fill it up with water, about 30 milliliters, but really any amount around 30 is fine. I have, you can see here, my water is 39.5, I would say, milliliters. So I dump this amount of water into my can, okay, and I record this amount of water into my data table. So I would write 39.5 milliliters of water. I place my can on top of my clay triangle, and I take the temperature of my water. My water is 24 degrees Celsius. I want my water to be as close to the chip as possible so that less heat is lost. So I will prop my chip up on this. My water will sit here. I am assuming that all of the energy from my chip is going directly into my can of water. You will have fire on this candle. You will light your chip on fire. What will happen is all of the energy, obviously some of it is lost to the surrounding, but we are assuming that all of the energy from the chip goes into the can. It will heat up the water. When the chip is no longer on fire, there will still be some of it left. Put it on the scale. The mass will have gone down because some of it burned. You will calculate that decrease in mass. So my chip was originally 2.7 grams. Now when I put it on the scale after burning, it is 2.1 grams. 0.6 grams of my chip burned. In addition, as soon as my fire goes out, I need to take the final temperature of my water. If you'll remember, the initial temperature of my water was 24 degrees, 24.0 degrees Celsius. It is now 27.3 degrees Celsius. So I can calculate my change in temperature. Then you will dump out the water and restart.